Hi everyone. So today we're going to draw something kind of fun and silly. So we're drawing from my Drawing Shape by Shape book today, and we're going to draw an alien spaceship because they're fun, they're easy, and they're kind of silly. So you might as well have some fun today. So grab your paper, grab your pencil, your markers, your color crayons, whatever you're going to draw with today, and let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to start with black today just because what other color is a spaceship? It's probably going to have a black outline for a drawing. If I had a silver marker, I would totally be drawing in silver, but I don't have a silver Sharpie, or not a silver Sharpie, silver Expo. So let's go ahead and get started today. So our alien spaceship, it's going to start out with kind of a circle or a dome shape. So go ahead and draw me a little bit more than a half circle. And then we're going to make it look more like a dome. So we're going to kind of draw almost a flat line, but not quite. And I lost my eraser. There's my eraser. Now we're going to draw that saucer part. So this is going to start out by drawing almost a straight line out, almost a straight line out, and then we're going to curve it around to touch. When you curve it, you don't want to go too far away from this bottom line. You want to keep it fairly close, because we're going to make it look like it's got multiple layers. So everybody always says they've got flashing lights. Well, that's right here. So we're going to draw that part next. We're going to draw that flashing light part. We're just going to draw that same type of line. And there we go. There's kind of our spaceship. Now we're going to draw the space alien, because why not? Who's going to be flying this thing? So space aliens, you'd think that'd be hard. They're actually fairly easy in this case. So we're going to start by drawing two lines that come up. No, that's a little bit too much of an angle. Two lines that come up. Then we're going to draw kind of a rounded head. Just like that. Give him a cute little mouth and two eyes. Nothing too super detailed. Let's give him some antennas, because you know they've got antennas. And then we need a steering wheel for him to be driving on with. So go ahead and draw me kind of an oval shape. And then we'll draw his arms straight out with a little bit of a circle. Now you need to take your eraser, otherwise you're going to get all confused. So you're going to erase that line that is his body and that line that kind of overlaps the steering wheel. And then, because you're supposed to have two hands on the wheel when you drive, let's go ahead and give him that second hand. It's going on the other side. Okay, now you get to add the lights. So little circles. If you want to make it look like he's got light reflecting on his dome, you can give him the light reflecting part. If you want to then add where he is, if you want to add him into outer space, go ahead and draw some stars in the background. If you want to draw planets in there, go for it. If you want to draw the moon, let's go ahead and draw a planet. I'm going to go ahead and draw a planet with some rings on it, just because those are fun. Draw some more stars, maybe this time a little bit smaller stars. If you want to give him a trail so you know where he's been, you can go ahead and draw kind of a dotted line, and that'll give you the idea of a trail as to where he's been. If you need maybe two sets, three, I wouldn't do more than three. 3 sets would be a little bit too much. So you can show that he's been way back here at that star, have some fun, and enjoy. So like I said, kind of silly, but something kind of fun for today. Hope you guys had fun. I will see you guys next time. Be safe, and I miss you. Bye.